Hello, my name is Michael Payton. I'm a member of the team It's Always Sunny in Arizona. We've created an automated sunshade controller. This device is capable of extending and retracting sunshades and awnings based on light, temperature, wind, and time of day. A similar device, manufactured by the leading producers, would cost $700. We were able to create this one for just over $100. And now for the demo. A little description about what you're seeing. On my right side, you'll see the web page that is being served from the shade controller that allows the user to control the device. And below me, you will see a shade that I have set up in my home that's being controlled by the shade controller. Now, the first thing we're going to do is demonstrate how we can raise the shade by clicking the raise button on the web user interface. I've clicked it now, and you'll see the shade goes up. And likewise, we'll demonstrate lowering the shade from this command, and down she goes. Also on this page is a weather forecast. This weather forecast provides 3 weather forecasts that are separated by 3 hours apart, so you get 9 hours of weather forecast. You see things like sunrise, sunset, wind, temperature, and weather conditions for each of these 3-hour increments. We also have a status report page. On this status report page, you can see things like a safety timer that kicks off anytime the wind's too high. The shade will have retracted and it will not come back down until that safety timer has expired. In addition, we have an automated settings page. This page allows the user to set up how they're automating their sunshade. You can set it up based on temperature, light, sunrise and sunset, or you can turn your automation off. I'm just going to turn it off here real quick and show you how that updates on the status report page. Submit that. And here we are. You see controls now set to manual. Going up here real quick and back to this automated settings, and we're going to set it up for light. Now in the light mode, you're going to see that we are receiving low levels of light as indicated by the current value for the lux, which is a measurement of light. You see it's 48 currently, and the raise threshold is 50, so anytime it's below 50, the shade will say, oh, I need to raise to allow more light into the home. So we're going to skip ahead into the future a little bit, and we'll see that the shade rises. There you are. Next thing we're going to do is set it up for temperature-based automation, and we're going to set it to lower the shade anytime the temperature is greater than 20 degrees Celsius. And you see here that the temperature is indeed greater than 20 degrees Celsius, and we're seeing some anomalies. So skip into the future a little bit, and you see that the shade said, oh, it's been at least 5 minutes, and the temperature has been over my threshold, so I'm going to go ahead and lower. Working beautifully. Now I'm going to do a quick setup of a fan here. This fan's going to simulate wind hitting the device. And this will show you that the sunshade will retract. All right, so now the next thing we're going to show you is how we can automate based on sunrise and sunset. The sunset time is 1948, and the current time is 1933. So we'll skip ahead a little bit into the future here. In a moment, I'll give you an indication of my phone showing that the time is indeed just before sunset, and up goes the shade. All right, that concludes the demonstration. Thank you very much.